You don't skip, you are about to unlock 5000 plus DC2 characters, Ethereum Brainrot, FNAF, Marvel, DC, anime, viral mini HP style assets, everything you need to make animations that finally go viral. Here's exactly to how to get them. Open Google and type the team world. Tap the first link, the teamworld.com. Use the search bar to find any character you want. Or just scroll, you will see packs, characters, backgrounds, over 5000 plus free assets, original quality, ready to animate instantly. No paywalls, no fake links, just real downloads that work. You can browse through the categories at the top. You can click a specified category button given in the top slide. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here you can choose in which category you want to download these characters. Now let's search Italian Brainrot for all those characters that are in the thumbnail. Now as you can see here, you will find every single one. Then simply click the one that you like and scroll down. Click the download button to grab them all. As you can see here, you will find two options for the big files. One is ATS, that means a separate scene file where you find everything that is seen on the post image. Second option is a Google Drive folder, which means you can click it and download every single ATI file one by one. You can repeat the same process for the rest of the post. But wait, knowing that thing is not all. What if you want to download something that is not available elsewhere on the internet? What if you want to ask for a special pack or character? What if you want that we can create the character on your request? Then here's we got you. You can simply click the description link to join our WhatsApp group and ask for the thing that you want. If you are still here, congratulations, because you are one of the very few people who know the truth. I just launched my brand new official character store, and it's built for one purpose: to give animators like you access to characters that don't exist anywhere else on the internet. Before this, people were paying 1000 to 10,000 just to buy a single DC2 character. Now you can get entire bundles for the price of a milkshake. These are exclusive, never seen, impossible to find characters available only for people who want to actually invest in their animation skill. And because the website is very new, you can request any character on WhatsApp. We read every message. 100% safe, SSL certificate, satisfaction guaranteed. This is your chance to finally get ahead of everyone. Link is given in the description, or you can click the store option right at the top of our official website. So here's your plan. Download the free packs today, start animating instantly, and if you are serious about growing fast, visit store.theteamworld.com and grab the exclusive bundles before the launch discounts disappear. Your next viral animations start now. Go before these links vanish forever.